are going to discuss about a deep learning approach for flight delay prediction through time evolving graphs. Then we are going to see about overview of our project. This is the abstract. The main objective of our project is to forecast to analyze the flight delay by using different regression algorithms. With the development of the civil aviation transportation industry in recent years, the volume of civil aviation transportation has increased. Flight delay is a major problem in the aviation sector. During the last 2 decades, the growth of the aviation sector has caused air traffic congestion, which has caused flight delays. This system is to improve the performance of forecasting the flight arrival delay time is of great significance for improving airport transportation efficiency. In our process, we can take the data set as input, here time series data set. After that, we can implement the different machine and deep learning algorithms such as support vector regression and long short term memory, that is LSTM. Then finally, the experimental result shows that some error values for each algorithm. The model has good prediction accuracy and can track the trends of multiple delay indicators as well. This is the flow of our project. So here we are taken the data set as flight delay data set. The data set was collected from some data set repositories like GitHub, Kaggle and so on. Then input data. Here we can read or load our input data by using pandas package. The selected data are carried out to pre-processing module. Here we can check any missing values is present in your data set. If you have any missing value, means we can eliminate or drop that missing values for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. So here we can convert the string into numeric integer value for machine readable. Then drop unnecessary column. If we have any unnecessary or unwanted columns in our data set, means we need to remove or drop that unnecessary columns in priorly. The pre-processed data are carried out to feature extraction module. Here we can implement principal component analysis. With the help of this algorithm, we can extract or select the best features from our pre-processed data. The extracted features are carried out to data splitting module. Here we can split the whole data set into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. So based on a data splitter data, we can implement the regression model. Here we can implement two different algorithms like LSTM and SVR. Then forecasting. So with the help of regression algorithm, we can forecast the flight delay. Finally, performance estimation. Here we can estimate some performance such as error values, mean absolute error, mean square error, root mean square error. With the help of this error values, we can estimate or we can conclude which model is efficient. Then visualization. Here we can compare the results based on our result. So this is the flow of our project. Now we are going to see about the demo of our project. So this is the output. Here we are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the input data. Here we are displayed some sample of input data from our data set. Then before checking missing values, so these are the columns which is present in our data set. The 0 means there is no missing values in corresponding columns. So this is the count of missing values. Here 2 means there is a 2 number of missing values is present in this column. So after handling checking or missing values, so all the columns is converted into 0, so there is no missing values. Then label encoding. Here we can convert the string into numeric integer value. So this is the string values which is present in our data set, so we need to convert these strings into numeric integer values. So after handling label encoding, then data splitting. So here we can split the whole data set into test and train. So this is the total number of data. So, after splitting our data, so this is the train data, this is the test data. So based on ratio we can split our data. Then feature extraction, PCA, principal component analysis. Here we can extract or select the best features from your data set. So this is the original features, so this is the reduced features. Then long short memory. So this is the result for or performance for LSTM. So this is the accuracy. Then this is the error values. Error values must be low, means it is efficient. So this is the result for support vector regression. Then prediction. Here we can give one input data, so based on that we can predict either it is flight delay or not. So it is the flight delay. Then this is the graph for forecasting flight. Then this is the comparison graph based on our performance. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.